Right, hello everybody, hello YouTube, hope everybody's staying well. Quick update on the F350. Carb's been stripped, cleaned in my new little ultrasonic cleaner, all new kit in it, restore kit, polished the light bar where the lights go, new indicators. I'm not going to use that filter actually, I'm going to use a chrome one. Heads are cleaned, been stripped, cleaned, new valve guides, everything. Close so I can get to the forward blue, I think. Everything's ready to go back on. The engine, because I ordered the wrong size pistons, I didn't realise that the engine had been bored out. I wasn't sure what size it had been bored to because I don't have the right measuring equipment. So anyway, I decided in the end better to be safe than sorry. I've sent it to a company down near Thetford. He's going to check the crank, make sure the main bearings and conrod bearings I bought were the right ones, which I'm sure they are because they're 30 over. He's going to check the bore, hone it, measure it, and either let me know what pistons to buy or he'll get them. He's going to ring me and let me know one way or the other. We'll see what works out cost wise. So anyway, the truck, I've been doing more. I've been doing a lot of wiring, getting all the wiring correct. I've undersealed it completely, undersealed it. The beds had clean the bumper up. The beds had the Raptor bed liner, really good stuff. I've saved enough to do the tailgate when it arrives. The lights, what I've done with the wiring, it was a bit difficult to figure out because Americans use the brake light as the indicator. The brake light under the dash switch controls just about everything from what I can see. So what I did is I took the output from the brake light switch to the lights completely off, and I've sent a single wire from there down to the brake lights. And what I did was I cut the indicator wire off. I then took the reversing lights wire off and connected the indicator wire to the reversing light and put an orange bulb in it. So those are now indicators, and the reversing lights I've wired to 2 LEDs. So the back's nice and sorted now. So we've got proper English indicators and stuff. So the fuel tank I drained, one was missing, the back fuel tank was missing. I took the other one out and God, that was revolting. The fuel that was in there must have been in there for a lot of time. It was disgusting stuff. So I was going to clean it, but I ordered the back one as well, so it's got a new rear tank in there, which hopefully you can see. I've saved some underseal to do the inside of the tailgate when it comes, and inside the doors. All the interior's just about done. Hazel got a wax cleaner on it, and it's come out really well. So really pleased with that. Got some headliner, that's all gone in. So it's pretty much now waiting. I phoned the DVLA and they said the waiting list for things is about 12 weeks, so it's going to be here for a while. The fuel tank that was under there, the long one, I decided to clean, so here we go. This is my cleaning. Hire a concrete mixer for the day, put a bit of gravel in, and it's got that cheap chemical cleaner I get from Screwfix that does grease and stuff. Really good. So I'll leave that on there for a little while, turn it round, and it'll be done. There's a handful of gravel in there, so that should clean it really well. Cleaned everything else up. Yeah, I bought one of these ultrasonic cleaners. I was going to get the little one, but then I realised that not even the carburetor in bits would fit in it, so I bought that one. Brilliant, works fantastic. In fact, the fuel sender unit that was in the tank was absolutely crudded to hell, didn't work, so I put it in there for, what was it, about 45 minutes. Came out brilliant. Checked the resistance and it works perfect. Bonus. So oh, that's the carburetor, what's left of the carburetor repair kit. So there we go. So until I get news from the engine, we're sort of in limbo now. Can't do a lot, but there you go. Right, cheers for now. I'll see you soon. Right. Been on the Carousel for an hour, half hour each side. Looks nasty. So here we go. I'm going to get wet now. Oh my God! That is amazing. Oh, Jesse! Yeah. Right, try and give you a look inside the tank. Sorry, it's at a bit of an angle. That's come out pretty good. Let me just turn it round. That was horrendously mucky before. Very, very mucky before. Right, that can go back on then. I'm going to clean the outside up and give that a paint, because that looks a bit rough. So, good. Cheers for now.